Holla at your boy. You already know what it is. It's Damien Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist. Hyper focus on them infill lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, I want to welcome you from the bottom of my heart. Appreciate you. I don't take this lightly or for granted. You know what I'm saying? So listen, stewardship is everything to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, support your boy. You know, it's better to give than receive. It take a couple seconds for you to hit the button. Bop, 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 bop. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right. So today I'm going to be talking about basically how to flip land for a profit. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole goal. The whole goal is to flip land for a profit. So again, if you're tired of YouTube University, you're tired of trying to piece this stuff together, and you need a more structured, more hand-holding, more mentorship, listen, look no further. Your boy has opened the floodgates. I got a paid course, $9.97, and not only with the paid course, I'm doing, you know what I'm saying, I'm doing what I do to help you get where you need to go. Let me say it like that. I'm going to do what I do to help you get where you got to go. So if you want to take me up on that opportunity and you're trying to get in where you fit in and you're trying to do it and do it big, you understand? Holla at your boy. I'm here for you. All right. So today I'm going to be talking about, again, I'm going to be talking about how to wholesale land for a profit. If you stay to the end, I'm going to teach you one of my ninja strategies that I use all the time. It works. It works. So only for those who stay to the end, I'm going to tell you about that ninja strategy. But how to wholesale land for a profit, like let's break down what a profit is, okay? Because to me, my average assignment fee it depends, but it ranges from like $7,500 to $10,000. But a profit to me is $5 or $50, okay? Anything more than what I had is a profit, okay? So listen, don't despise humble beginnings. If you see me do, you know, a $12,000, $15,000, $30,000 deal, and you're like, I ain't done that deal yet, don't worry, don't despise humble beginners. Listen, stay the course. Yours is going to come to you. It's coming. Get ready, okay? So listen, what is a profit? A profit is more than what you had. So listen, if you only started with $50, you know what I'm saying, and use that $50 to invest in marketing, and you got a, God forbid, but you got a wholesale deal for $300, listen, don't throw that deal in the trash. Top say it's too small. I can't work for these. Take it, take it, take it. Don't despise humble beginners. Hear me out. So the whole goal is to get properties, you know, for under contract for a certain price and assign it for a better price. But how do you do this though? Like literally, how do you do it? I'm gonna break it down for you step by step. How can you wholesale land for a profit? And then I'm gonna hit you with the cherry on top at the end, and I'm gonna hit you with the Wolverine sauce. Okay. All right. So basically, how you do this is you find a builder that's looking for land. Okay. You got to find a builder that's looking for land, and he got to be looking for a lot of land, not just one lot, okay? There's some builders who just need 1 or 2 lots, and that's cool, that's Gucci. But you want a builder with deepest pockets, pockets deeper than the Atlantic Ocean, you understand? And basically what you want to do is, you want to get their criteria, okay? If you're having a hard time doing that, if it's taking you more than 24 hours to do that, listen, consider partnering with me. I'm a buyer, you know what I'm saying? I got buyers, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I put my head to the plow, you're going to be good. So if I say it ain't nothing, it ain't nothing. So if you consider partnering with me, I do have a JV program where you can do a 50-50 JV split. But yeah, like, find out the buying criteria. Very, very important. Number 3, my bad. Take that buying criteria and pull that data. Or search or hunt around that data, okay? And what do I mean? All right, if a buyer, I'm going to show you what I mean. I can show you better than I can tell you. All right, so if a buyer wants lots like this one, okay, and I don't have no money, okay, I'm going to go to the county GIS. This is not the county GIS. This is MapRight. I'm going to go to the county GIS, and I'm going to go on that street, and I'm going to go to each lot and call that person. That's what I'm going to do. Why? Because I'm hungry. I need cash. Where my money? I need cash. That's why I'm going to do it. So again, you would do this in the county GIS, but as you can see, I know who bought this lot. You know what I'm saying? And they paid, I just saw what they paid for it. $27. Okay. So if I can get it under 27, then I'm winning. Okay. So this one right here. All right, boom. This one right here. If I can get this joint under 27 Rocky Yakis, racks, then I can make the difference. Okay. All right. So that's really the gist of it. You know what I'm saying? Like, really, it don't matter how you do it. You just need to be making a ton of offers. You got to be making minimum 10, 15, 20 offers a day in order to be winning. Look at my pipeline. Look at all these offers I got to make. This is the SMS game. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at these offers I got to make. Real talk. Offers. You got to make offers. Okay? So, once you make an offer on a property, you got to have that follow-up game. Got to be vicious. You need to have a system, a CRM, something where you can keep track of these people, where you can know when to call them back. You know what I'm saying? When to hit them back. Woo, woo, woo. Like, that's very, very important. Your follow-up game got to be sick if you want to do deals. I can tell you one deal right now I'm following up on. I've been following up with this dude for a week. He ain't signed yet, but I'm going to keep calling because it's a nice little lump on there. Let me see if I can find the joint for you. Alright, it's a nice little lump on there. Alright, so this joint right here. You might say, why is he in escrow box? Because it's by faith. Alright, this dude right here. Man, I've been blowing him up. Like, give me a call today at 6 p.m. so we can talk about your proposal. I bet. So I need to put that on my calendar. You know what I'm saying? To call him back at 6 p.m. because this is a nice lump. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Got it for 70. I'm selling it for 100. That's 30. You know what I'm saying? Do the math. You know what I'm saying? So I need to put him on my calendar to call at 6. How am I going to do that? Right inside of here. Follow-up is key. Your follow-up game need to be vicious. You need to be the world's greatest follow-up artist. Hear me out. All right, Google. I want to pick the time. Today, the 3rd. I want to hit him back at 6 p.m. Did he say after 6 or at 6? Let me check that out. 6 p.m. All right, I'm going to put him on my personal calendar. Real quick to do, because I need this deal. I need this deal. All right, so I'm going to put him on my personal calendar. He said call him at 6 p.m. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to call him at 6 p.m. All right, A. Morrison. 6 p.m. All right, alert. The time of it, 10 minutes. All right, so as you can see, I've been chasing this guy for a brick. You know what I'm saying? Like May 19th. You know what I'm saying? It ain't been that super long. But like, yeah, 1 week. Shoot, this is the 2nd week I've been chasing this guy. Lord's willing. You know what I mean? He'll sign today and I can make that 30 rack. That 30 piece. That 30 piece with chicken grease. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's get back into the video. I got a little off track. But let's get back into the video. The goal is to make offers for properties less than what they're selling for. That's how you're going to eat, okay? All right, so I promise you, if you stay to the end, I will share something with you, you know what I'm saying, that I think can change your life. And this is basically how I talk to sellers. I don't talk to the sellers like I'm the owner. I talk to the seller like I got to get everything approved, right? So I'm going to just do a little role play, a little scenario here. Let's just say, all right, the seller for this property, they wanted 12. What's the success for? Let me see. 17,816. Okay, that ain't bad. Let's just say they wanted 19,000, 20,000. Let's just keep it easy. Let's just say they wanted 20,000, right? I'll be like, oh, okay, Mr. Seller, I appreciate that. However, you know what I'm saying? Because you're always trying to get a discount. So what I do is I go in 5,000 lower than what they want and try to settle in the middle so I can get it for $2,500 cheaper. Did you get that? So they want a dub. So I'm gonna say, hey, Mr. Seller, I was only able to get $15,000 approved. Does that work for you? They say, nah, I can't do it. Then you hit them with, well, can we meet in the middle at 17.5? I've done that a couple times this week. Saved myself $25. I made an extra $2,500 on assignment with just that trick. So that's the sauce that I'm telling you. Don't act like you own the company. Don't act like you the boss and all that. Say, hey, I was only able to get this approved. All right. So another trick you want to do is you don't want to sound excited if they rock with your offer. So let's just say for this lot, they wanted 20, offer 15. You want to say, let me see if I can get that price approved. Put them on a hold for 1 second. And then, excuse me for the hiccups. And then come back on the phone and say, I got good news. I was able to get that approved. You know what I'm saying? Where to send an offer. You always want to come with, I got good news. Good news you can use. It works. So again, I'm gone like the wind. If you haven't subscribed to my channel by now, listen, go to subscribe. Do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? Smash the notification bell. All right. Like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Man, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for this community. But I'm gone like the wind. Thank you.